future. This is where we're going to be doing all of our taste tests. The dining room. And this is the living room. This is the office where my mom does all of her work. Here is the master bedroom. Oh, this is the guest room. This is my room. Please step in and wipe your shoes before walking in my room. Ah, this is the bathroom. This is my brother's room. He's as lazy as a snail. Oh, hi, Aunt Elma. I didn't see you there. This is the backyard. And this is a car. Now for my favorite part, the pool! Please join us next week to make Caleb's birthday cake.